Hey everyone, welcome back to another video in our Puerto Rico series.
The beautiful island of Puerto Rico is filled with unparalleled outdoor adventures. In this video, we'll show you the top 3 adventures you should have on your bucket list when visiting Puerto Rico. Let's begin the first one right at the center of the island in the town of Orocovis.
Today we are at the Toro Verde Park, which has the biggest zip line in North America, aptly called the Monster. We are all strapped up and ready to go, so let us show you what that experience looks like in this video.
So Sankesh, on a scale of 1 to 10, how scared are you?
4.
Okay, and how excited are you?
15. Looks like Chaitra got stuck. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So you have another one up there, guys. Keep going up.
Okay, thank you. Crazy experience. Totally loved it. I don't know what happened with Chaitra. She didn't seem so enthusiastic about the end. Looks like it's happening again. Let's see what she says. Looks like your landing is jinxed.
I think so because I'm light,
Yeah.
so I don't have that much weight to keep pushing me till the end. And
Yeah.
once the wind blows, I need to the previous guy told me to keep my hands up so I could glide. But that point didn't come until the end, and I think that was too late to do it. But overall, it was good.
There were like trees, and then suddenly there was like a river. So much height, so much depth that
Yeah.
I felt a little pukish at that point.
Oh no.
But I loved it.
I loved it too. And the best part is that looking at it, you feel it's gonna be super fast, but no, it's actually slow and steady. That
Yeah.
does give you some time to just get used to it.
So first comes the adrenaline, then comes the scenic views, and then comes the satisfaction of having it all.
After flying through mountains, it's time to go down to the bay on the island's southwestern coast for another bucket list experience.
There are 5 bio bays in the world. Bio bay stands for bioluminescent bay, and 3 of those bays are here in Puerto Rico.
A bio bay is a water body where there are the single-celled microorganisms that glow blue light when disturbed.
Out of the 3 bio bays here in Puerto Rico, the one in La Perguera is the only one that is swimmable. So we are here in the southwest side of Puerto Rico at La Perguera for a sunset bio bay tour with Hooked on Adventure.
This family-owned business is run by a father-daughter duo, and they offer small capacity tours only, which makes the overall experience so much more personalized.
For the first hour, we are going to enjoy the sunset on this amazing remote island which has mangroves and waves crashing, and it's simply amazing. And then we are gonna go swimming in the bio bay and experience that bioluminescence ourselves. a nice place.
After that delightful sunset, it was now time for the main event.
To capture this phenomena, you need a really sophisticated camera because this type of light cannot be captured by a usual GoPro or an iPhone camera.
Here are some long exposure shots we attempted to take with an iPhone. But trust us, you have to come here for this experience of a lifetime. It was like glitter on us every time we disturbed the water. Our last adventure brings us to the only rainforest in the US, El Yunque. It receives 100 billion gallons of rainwater every year and has stunning natural features to check out from inside. Las Pailas is a spectacular spot that sits right outside El Yunque. The rushing waters have formed such smooth river rocks here that you can slide through them. After paying $5 to a local to park a car at his home, we took the steps down to the natural slides and pools. There are two slides. The upper one is faster and longer, and the lower one is slower and shorter. Naturally, we tried the lower one first.
Time to go on this slide.
After that kiddie slide, at least one of us had to give the big one a try.
Oh my god. This is a perfect spot if you are an adventure junkie and are planning to visit Puerto Rico. A lot of people come here with tour guides, with transportation included from San Juan. But if you have a car rental like we did, this is a very easy to find place. We'll leave the pin in the description so that you can come here and navigate it by yourself.
As you saw that there are so many fun things to do, the slide, rope jump and the cliff jump, but make sure to do whatever you are most comfortable with and don't feel peer pressured into doing any of those, especially because there is no medical aid or lifeguard to just help you in case of emergencies.
So that's it from us in this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you want more recommendations for Puerto Rico, check out our other videos in this playlist.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be updated about our new adventures. See you next time.